Hi friends, welcome back to our class. Integration, second year maths to B, 6th chapter, very short questions, part 6 we are in. So 35 onwards we are going to learn in this part. So before that in the previous part we have seen some formulas. Those are integration f dash of x by f of x dx is log f of x, and integration of f dash of x by root f of x dx is 2 into root f of x. So on account of these two formulas, some problems are solved in the previous part. Now, the problems which are in the based on the formula integration f power n of x into f dash of x dx. In this type of problems, the formula is f power n plus 1 of x by n plus 1 plus c. And of course, if it is possible, we can discuss about this formula. Integration of e power x of f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e power x into f of x. Okay, let us see the formulas based on that formula. Just remember the formulas first of all. So first question in this part means orally 35th 2 marks question. Evaluate integration tan power 4x secant square x dx. So in this integration, even we have to remember differentiation formulas also. So if you know the differentiation formulas, the quite opposite of differentiations are integration. Okay. In part 1 I told you very clear. So now solution. The question is integration tan power 4x into secant square x dx. Okay. So here we have to think which one is which one derivation. What is derivation of sin x? Cos x. What is derivation of cos x? Minus sin x. What is derivation of tan x? Secant square x. See, if you take this is as a function tan x, so tan x derivation is secant square x. So don't think about power. I'm just saying here secant square x is some derivation of tan x. Am I right? You remember or not? Derivation of sin x, cos x. Derivation of cos x is minus sin x. Derivation of tan x is secant square x. So that's why write formulas oftenly. You will be remember the formulas will be remembered. Now what I am saying, this secant square x is the derivation of tan x. So that's why here I am writing since f of x I am taking as tan x. So immediately f of x derivation is f dash of x, that is tan x derivation is secant square x. So which formula we can apply? We can apply f to the power of n of x into f dash of x dx formula. So this is nothing but f power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So using this formula, I am just keeping in box. So directly we can write the answer. This is nothing but what? Function. Function power is what? 4. So say the answer is the function power will be increased 1 because of function power n into n plus 1 we have to write by n plus 1. Here n means what? N means 4. 4 plus 1 plus c. This is the only answer. Only single step you can write answer. That's it. So this is the answer of the given question. Okay. Next question, 36. Is it okay? Next. We may use same formula. So next question is integration sin power 4x by cos power 6x. So here both terms having power. Yeah. So we can just simplify. So integration of sin power 4x by cos power 6x can be written as integration of sin power 4x by cos power 6x can be written as cos power 4x into cos power 2x. Am I right? I'm just splitted this denominator. Power 6 is splitted. So now which is equal sin by cos having same power. So sin by cos means what? What is sin by cos? Tan power 4x. And 1 by cos means what? So nothing by cos. 1 by cos means secant square x. Of course, the same 35th problem. Yeah. Even though here we have to think this is the function tan x, the derivation of this function tan x is secant square x. So which formula we can apply? Integration of function and derivation. That's what it is. A is what? F over n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So according to this formula we can write this is the function. So tan power 4 plus 1x by 4 plus 1 plus c. So answer is tan power 5x by 5 plus c. Okay. So please note down. Next 37th problem, integration of 1 plus log x whole to the power of n by x dx. So here also generally the log x derivation is 1 by x. So I am just converting this function question 1 plus log x whole power of n into 1 by x dx. Okay, solution. This one is written as like this way. So I am taking this is the function f of x. So let okay, we are writing let f of x I am treating as 1 plus log x. So immediately the derivation of this f of x is f dash of x is 1 derivation 0, constant derivation 0, large derivation 1 by x. What they are getting 1 by x. So if you consider this is function, this one will be derivation of that function. So function derivation we can apply formula. Yes, yes we can apply. Therefore, so integration of 1 plus log x whole to the power of n into 1 by x dx is equal. What is function here? 1 plus log x. So answer is 1 plus log x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This is the answer. That's all. Next 38th problem. Evaluate integration root sin x into cos x. Root sin x into cos x. Solution. What is question? Integration of root sin x into cos x dx. So here it can be written as root sin x means sin power 1 by 2 into cos x dx. So now tell me, is cos x derivation of sin x? Yes. Generally, derivation of sin x is cos x. So this is the derivation function. So this we can take as f dash of x. This is the function. It is taken as f power what something n treated. So we can apply this formula. According to this formula, we can write f power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So using this formula, okay, I'm checking. So first write this one taken as f of x. So let f of x is sin x and the derivation of this function f dash f becomes cos x. So that's why this is f power n, this is f dash of x. So formula will be f power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So which is equal, what we can write, sin power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this is called sin power 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 1 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Sin power 3 by 2 x by 3 by 2 plus c plus c. So denominator 3 by 2 means we can write 2 by 3 into sin power 3 by 2 x plus c. So this is the answer. Okay. Next same type of problem, 39. Integration of cube root sin x into cos x dx. So to it this problem, same process. So it means what? Cube root sin x means what? It means sin x power 1 by 3 into cos x dx. So here this is the function, this is derivation. So function power what is there? 1 by 3 is there. So answer will be sin x power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 1 by 3 plus 1 and plus. That's it. So we get 3 1 to 3 plus 1, 4 by 3x by 4 by 3 plus 6. Means what? 3 by 4 into sine power 4 by 3x plus this is the answer. Yes, next one. Same each and every problem based on this formula. Simply we should identify which one is function, which one is derivation. That's enough. So next one, integration secant square x by 1 plus tan x dx, 1 plus tan x whole cube dx. Generally, in the 35th question, tan x derivation is secant square x. So here also solution. The question secant square x by 1 plus tan x whole cube. So it is written as this denominator term we can write in the numerator as 1 plus tan x whole to the power of minus 3 and into secant square x dx. So let us check is it derivation of f of x and one minute. Okay, is it derivation of 1 plus tan x? Yes, 1 derivation 0, tan x derivation secant square x. So we can treat this as f of x. So this will be f dash of x. So let f of x I'm taking, shall we write in the rough notes? It is better. Since f of x I am taking 1 plus tan x, then f dash, the derivation of that function, 1 derivation 0, tan x derivation secant square x. So automatically this is the function, this will be derivation. So what is formula for this question? Formula is integration of f of n, f of x for n by. So here it is formula, the same formula only. F dash of x dx is equal f to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus. According to this formula, we can write for this solution is 1 plus tan x power minus 3 plus 1 means n plus 1 by n plus 1 and plus 3. So answer is minus 1 by 2 becomes minus 2 and here it becomes 1 plus tan x power minus 2 plus 3. Or we can write in the denominator whole power is minus 2. So also it is written as minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus tan x power 2 plus this is answer. So 2 marks questions like in this way only. Okay. So in 7 marks we get more interest because of single concept and important problems easily we have. In the next or another next part we can learn. Okay, and another 2 more problems are there in this method. You try integration of cos x by 1 plus sin x whole square dx. Okay, you do it. Just answer is 1 by 1 plus sin x minus 1 by 1 plus sin x. Answer. Same, this is the function, write it like in this way. Same process, same method. Next, part 8, very short question. Integration cosecant square x by a plus b cot x whole power 5 dx. Okay, this is also like in the same. So the derivation of this function is cosecant square x. Okay, minus cosecant square x. So we should write additionally minus also. So listen, this one can be written as a plus b cot x whole to the power of minus 5 into cosecant square x dx. So generally the derivation of a is constant 0. The derivation of b cot x what? So here I am writing f of x I am taking as a plus b cot x. Okay. Up to here, okay, is it appearing? Okay, now derivation of f of x is f dash of x, a derivation 0 and b into cot x derivation is minus cosecant square x. So we are getting minus b cosecant square x. Okay, but here the function is only cosecant square, but minus b is not there. So that's why what do we have to do? Multiply with minus b and divide with minus b. So it can be written as minus 1 by b into a plus b cot x whole to the minus 5 into minus b cosecant square x dx. Okay, divided and multiplied with minus b. Why? Because of the derivation of this function is not this one, this one. So to get this, I multiply and divide with minus b. So now this is the function and this is the derivation. So which is called minus 1 by p into formula, the function power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So function 1 a plus b cot x whole power minus 5 plus 1 by minus 5 plus 1 plus. So which formula used? This one. If you are interested, just write in the right side. Since the formula used is f power n of x into f dash of x dx is f power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So if you write the formula in each and every problem, the formula will be remembered very easily without bad. So minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. So we get minus into, okay, one more step I will write. Minus 4 a plus b cot x whole to power of minus 4 plus c. So minus into minus plus, we get 1 by 4b and the whole power minus 4 goes to denominator. So answer is 1 by 4b into a plus b cot x whole to power of 4 plus c. So this is the answer of this question. Okay. So next, in this concept, this is the last one, integration of log x whole square by x dx. So we may have some more problems based on this formula. So we can do, I think, solution. So given question is log x whole square by x dx. So which can be split as log x whole square into 1 by x dx. Now I think you can understand the log x derivation is 1 by x. That's why this is f of x, this is f dash of x. Right? So f of x is log x, this function. The derivation of this one, what? F dash of x. Log derivation 1 by x. So this becomes f of x, this becomes f dash of x. Same formula. So which is equal to what we can write? Function power f of x power n plus 1. N means what? 2. 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 and plus. So 1 by 3 into log x power 3. Plus c. This is the answer. Okay. Since f power n of x into f dash of x dx is f to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So based on this formula, we have completed some 2 marks questions. And next concept is very most important one. That is 99% we can expect the question about the next formula. What is that? Integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. So what is the answer? What is formula? I told you in the beginning of this part. Okay. Again I will repeat the formula. So the next formula is the very most important formula. Integration of e power x of f of x plus f dash of x dx is e power x into f of x plus c. So this is very most important formula. So the question, if e power x is there, so then immediately we just look at or observe whether function and derivation are there or not. Okay. For example, One question. How many are completed? 48. 40? 49 completed. 43 only. Yes, 44 only. Okay. Integration of e power x of secant x plus secant tan x. First e power x is there. E power x is there. So now let us see, is derivation of this one or derivation of this one is this one. We have to check that. Yes. What is derivation of secant x? First sin x derivation, cos x derivation, minus sin x, tan x derivation, secant square x, cot x derivation, minus cosecant square x, secant x derivation, secant x into tan x. Secant x derivation is secant x into tan x. So f of x is equal to secant x. So immediately derivation of this f of x is derivation of secant x is secant x into tan x. So which formula you can apply? E power x of f of x plus f dash. So formula also I am writing here. E power x of f of x plus f dash of x dx is e power x into f of x plus c. So according to this formula we can write a solution of this problem is question mark e power x into secant x plus secant x into tan x dx is equal. This one is f of x, this one is f dash of x. So e power x plus e power x is there. So e power x into f of x is answer. So e power x into f of x means what? Secant x. So answer e power x into secant x. That's it. Complete. Okay. Next, see one more problem. 45. Integration of e power x of tan inverse x plus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Here also by observing directly you can say tan inverse x derivation is 1 by 1 plus x square. So this is function f of x, this is f dash of x. So e power x into tan inverse x plus 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal, what we can write? E power x into tan inverse x. That's it. So this is function, this is derivation. So directly we can write. Okay. Next, that's it. 46th question. Okay, here only one word answer. So you just write the formula since integration of e power x of f of x plus f dash of x. Okay, otherwise write in the same way. 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Here function what? Tan inverse x. So write down, and f dash of x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So better to write in this way. Marks will be avoided. So therefore, according to formula, what is that? E power x into f of x plus f dash of x formula is equal e power x into f of x plus c. So using this formula, the answer of given question, what is that? E power x into tan inverse x plus 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal e power x into, this is function. So e power x into function tan inverse x plus is the answer. Okay. Next, 46. Integration of tan x plus log of secant x into e power x dx. So I am just rewriting the given question. First I am writing e power x and log of secant x writing plus tan x I am writing. Why I am writing in this way? Because of generally I know that tan x derivation is secant square x. So tan x derivation it is not. So let I am going to check log of secant x derivation tan x or not. So that's why I am taking this is as f of x. So f of x is I am taking as log of secant x. Immediately the derivation of this function is f dash of x. So log x derivation 1 by x. So 1 by secant x. Again secant x derivation secant x into tan x. So secant cancel. We are getting tan x. Yes. Now we are getting, if you take this function, the derivation of this function is tan x value. So we can treat this is f of x and this will be f dash of x. So therefore, according to which formula? Integration of e power x of f of x plus f dash of x dx is e power x into f of x plus c. Using this formula, you can write solution of given question e power x of log of secant x plus tan x dx is equal e power x into f of x. This is f of x. E power x into log of secant x plus c is the answer. Okay, these are very important problems. Already I have mentioned in the starting of these formulas. Some more problems are there, hardly 4 or 5. You can complete this part. Next, in the next part also we have some 2 marks problems based on integration of uv dx method. So that is very important concept, because of if you don't know integration of u into v dx, we can't do long questions also. Okay, don't bother, I will tell you in the next video. So next question is integration of, okay. So in this way we have to solve each and every problem. So now almost I just tell you in the direct answers. E power x of 1 plus x into log x by x dx. So how to do? Same. E power x into 1 by x you can write plus x into log x by x dx. So x is cancelled. Just to split the denominator to each and every numerator. So now log x is there, 1 by x is there. So what is log x derivation? 1 by x. So this is function. So it can be rewrite as e power x of log x plus 1 by x dx. So this is equal, this is function f of x. This is the function derivation f dash. You just write in the right side of your page what is f of x, what is f dash x, what formula we are applying, and right answer here directly e power x into log x. Yes, that's it. Next, so what I am saying, if you are interested, do in this way. Actually, do in this way. Okay. Next, part 8. Integration of. So this is important concept. X e power x by x plus 1 whole square dx. So which is equal. See, the denominator x plus 1 is there, in the numerator x is there. So I am writing e power x into by x plus 1 whole square, adding 1 and subtracting 1. Okay? So now, which is equal e power x of x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. So here it is split x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Now x plus 1 square cancel. So which is called e power x of 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx. Okay. Now see, if you take 1 by x plus 1 is function. So now, and then check the derivation of this one, what it will be. So the derivation of this function will be minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. You just, okay, very simple. What is 1 by x derivation? Minus 1 by x square. d by dx of 1 by x what? Minus 1 by x square. So like in this way, 1 by x plus 1 derivation is minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. So this one you can treat as f of x, this will be f dash of x. So what is the answer? E power x into f of x. Okay? E power x into f of x. F of x what? 1 by x plus 1. Plus c. So e power x by x plus 1 plus c is the answer. So in these integrations, if you have doubt whether our answer is right or wrong, we can check. Very simple. By differentiating this answer, you will get this question. quite opposite, integration and differentiation. We can find the integration in different methods, but we can find derivation in we have only few methods, u into v, u by v. So find the derivation of this function, you will get this one. So through that you can check whether it is right or wrong. Okay. Next, the same one more question, same type. Integration of x plus 1 or x into 1 plus x by 1 plus x, sorry, 2 plus x whole square dx. By yes. See, here also it is 2 plus x, here it is 1 plus x. So to get 2 plus x, definitely add 1 also, the same way. So first I am writing 1 plus x by 2 plus x whole square. This is the question. So it can be split as, I am rewriting the numerator 1 plus x I am going to write as 2 plus x minus 1. Am I right or not? What about 2 minus 1? 1 only. This 1 can be written as 2 minus 1. X written as same. So what I am writing means to get same term in the denominator. That's why. So in the next step, by separating numerators, we can cancel e power x into 2 plus x by 2 plus x whole square minus 1 by 2 plus x whole square. So here 2 plus x term and square term cancel. Get e power x of 1 by only 2 plus x minus 1 by 2 plus x whole square. So here also the derivation of 1 by 2 plus x becomes minus 1 by 2 plus x whole square. So this will be f of x and this will be f dash of x. So answer will be what? E power x into f of x means e power x into 1 by 2 plus x plus that means e power x by 2 plus x plus c becomes. So in the right side of just write the formula. So that is better to get good appearance. So definitely write in the formula, write formula in the right side. Okay. Next, one more question. This one you do it the same model. Put here integration of e power x of x plus 2 by x plus 3 whole square. Okay, same way. What will be answer? E power x by x plus 3 is answer. 50th question. That's only. And one more last problem in this part. Then after the remaining 2 more questions will be taught. I will tell you in the next video. 51 question, last one in this part, in this model, about this formula. Integration of e power x of 1 minus sin x by 1 minus cos x. So it is little bit difficult to get the answer because by observing we can't get directly. It should be simplified using trigonometric formulas. So what is sin to theta formula? What is 1 minus cos to theta formula? That we have to remember. Okay. Solution. E power x of, I am rewriting sin x 2 into x by 2 and 1 minus cos 2 into x by 2. Because of it should be simplified. Because of we can't simplify it directly. So now integration of e power x of 1 minus, what is sin 2 theta formula? So sin theta cos theta. That's it. And what is 1 minus cos 2 theta formula? 1 minus cos 2 theta. 2 sin square theta. So 2 sin square theta means what? X by 2. Okay. Now we can split. Now we can split 1 by 2 sin square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 by 2 sin square x by 2 dx. 2 gets cancelled, sin x square cancel. Here nothing cancel. So e power x of 1 by sin means what? Cosecant square. So 1 by 2 cosecant square x minus cos by sin out there. Cos by sin means what? 1 x by dx. Okay. So just write here, since sin 2 theta formula is 2 sin theta cos theta and 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. Okay. So which is equal e power x. Now tell me which one's derivation. What is cot x derivation? Minus cosecant square x. What is cot x by 2 derivation? Okay. And also I'm just e power x into, I'm writing minus cot x by 2 plus 1 by 2 into cosecant square x by 2 dx. Because now if you take this function and the derivation of this will be this or not, I am going to check. Like f of x is minus cot x by 2. So what is derivation of this function? Generally cot x derivation is minus cosecant square. Minus already is there. So minus into minus becomes plus. So we get cosecant square x by 2. Again x by 2 derivation. What is 1 by 2? So we are getting 1 by 2 into cosecant square x by 2. So this is function, this is derivation. What is the answer? The answer is e power x into f of x plus c. What is f of x here? Minus cot x by 2. So answer is minus e power x into cot x by 2 plus c is the answer. Okay, friends, these are very short, very most important. So out of 2 very short questions from this chapter, 1 we can expect from this part. So that's why carefully listen and write your notes if possible. Learn. And in the next video we can start what is the integration of unit b dx, means highlight method integrations. Okay, which one first taken as u, which one taken as b. Some restrictions are there. We can learn in that. After that, we can enter into the 7 marks questions. Thank you for watching our classes. If you are watching, please subscribe. Thank you.